y'all. We got the red seats now.
Oh, you already moved the bag?
Yeah, I put it in the trunk. Yup. Auto Styles, they did it for sure. All right, y'all. We just got our red seat swap. Look at these custom, you know what I'm saying, cat skin. Salsa red. Fresh. All right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We got the motherfucking red seats. You know. Look at them bitches. Them bitches are red. Real red seats, man. Custom made red seats, man. You know what I'm saying, vlog? Next, we gotta get the headliner. And then, I ain't gonna cap. That nigga said he know how to make my, he know how to make this bitch red. So he finna make my dash red and shit. So, hey, you already know what the fuck we finna do, man.